In this practice problem of the product rule, we're going to find the derivative of x squared tangent of x. Now in any product rule problem, we're going to want to divide out an f of x and a g of x. Now some choices are definitely better than others, but keep in mind that this is completely arbitrary. For this case, we're going to do f of x equals x squared and g of x equals tangent of x. And just to be really thorough, I'm actually going to work it out with g of x equal x squared and f of x equal to tangent of x. Afterwards, anyways. We'll work this problem through to completion and then we'll go back and we'll do this. Next step is to find the derivative of both f of x and g of x separately. So f prime of x equals 2x and g prime of x equals secant squared of x. And let me write up the formula for the product rule. The derivative of f of x and g of x equals f prime of x, g of x, plus g prime of x, f of x. So once we have these four elements, f of x, g of x, g of x, f prime of x, f prime of x, g prime of x, g prime of x, we can just substitute them all into their proper place in the formula. So f prime of x equals 2x, g of x is tangent of x, plus g prime of x, which is secant squared x, and f of x, which is x squared. And that is our derivative of x squared tangent of x. Alrighty then. That's that. Now I'll go through and I'll do the derivatives the other way. You're going to see that it's the exact same answer. G prime of x equals 2x and f prime of x equals secant squared x. Now our f prime of x equals tangent of x. Oh, sorry, secant squared x. Let me erase that. And g of x equals x squared plus g prime of x, which is 2x, and f of x, which is tangent of x. Notice that this term and this term is the same. This term and this term is the same. The only difference is the order. So of course the derivatives are exactly the same. Now I'm actually going to go one step further on this. Let me grab a different color and we'll rewrite the equation. X squared tangent of x, and then f prime g plus g prime f. Let's say f of x equals x tangent of x, and g of x equals x. Will this work? Yes, the answer is yes, of course it will work. But it's just going to make it a lot more complicated. Let's find the derivative of f prime of x using this example. And switch to a different color. This is actually going to be a product rule in itself. We're going to have to define f of x as a of x and b of x, we'll say. Call a equal x, b equal tangent of x. So a prime will equal 1, b prime will equal secant squared. Now we'll plug this into our formula to give f prime equal to tangent of x plus x secant squared x. And our g prime of x will equal 1. Now let me erase some rule down here. Wait, erase this to make some room. Switch my color again. And just we'll rewrite my f prime of x up here. Tangent x plus x secant squared x. So the first term being f prime times g, tan x plus x secant squared x, and our g is x, plus f of x g prime of x, which is 1 x tangent of x. So we have tangent of x plus x secant squared of x. Both of these times another x, so that gives us x tangent x plus x squared secant squared x plus another x tangent of x. So this will give us, when we combine these terms, 2x tangent of x plus x squared secant squared x, which was the exact same answer we got doing the other two methods. So no matter how you pick your f of x and your g of x, you will always get the same answer using the product rule.